Namaste, my name is Aryan, student of class 9th. The title of this project is Flood Prevention and Rescue System at Lower and Higher Altitudes. This project comes under disaster management. In India, there are 1,74,500 bridges and underpasses. In India, when flood comes, gallons of water will accumulate in the underpass and the people will not know the level of water until somebody informs them. So the people will go and the accidents will happen, and sometimes it will cause heavy cost and they will die. In India, there are also 108 waterfalls. During floods, the water will go in high velocity and the people will not know the velocity of the water until they are informed by Google or the local. So, I have made two projects, which one works in lower altitudes and another in the higher altitudes. Now, let me tell you the materials I have used to make these both projects. This is 230 AC wire. Now this 230 AC wire is divided into two step-down transformer, which will transform the electricity to 5 volt. This is diodes, which will convert it into AC to DC. This is the electricity capacitor, which will filter the electricity. This is the LED to indicate the circuit is on. These are the transistors. This board acts like a switch to the whole project. These are electromagnetic relays. These are LEDs and these are diodes and transistors. I have used 4 transistors in this board. You can see here. This is DC motor, which will rotate and it will help to open and close this barrier. This is the water pipe, which will take all water and can be used in field also. Now I will show you the next project, which will work in higher altitude. This is the project of higher altitudes. This is water flow sensor, which will detect the velocity of the water. This is Arduino Nano, which we use to code this whole project. And I am introducing the motor driver, which is helpful to run the DC motors. This is the breadboard and helps in the connections work. And these are the jumper wires. These are male to female jumper wires. I have used male to male jumper wires, male to female jumper wires, and female to female jumper wires. This is ESC module, and this is brushless motor. Now I will show the working of the lower altitude project. When water is not there in underpasses or bridges, the barrier which is attached there will be open. I will show you now. It will be open. And we can use DC mode, the gear motor, and code it with servo motor, and use servo motor also. I have used this DC motor to help the ground level people, like electricians. They will not know how to code and all. So I have used clean current, which will have which electrician people can make. Now I have shown you the case when the water will be not there. Now I will show you when water is there. Now I am pouring the water in the underpass. And here I am pouring the water. You can also see. Now you can see I am pouring the water, and you can see here when it exceeds the safer limit, it is not falling. When it exceeds, it will automatically fall. You can see here. Now it will rotate opposite direction. Okay. You can see here. It is rotating in the opposite direction, but I am trying the opposite. But it is not rotating opposite. So I will make it stand, but it will be, the barrel will be closed. So you are thinking, so I know you are thinking about whatever the water which is filled in the underpass. So the water, if the underpass is near to the village, the water can be used in fields and to water plants and to give water to cows, animals, etc. Now I will show the project of higher altitude. This is higher altitude project. This model is static, but it was working because of the aerodynamics issues. It is now not working. If I